Here's a video on how to integrate ADManager Plus with Zoho People to automatically create Active Directory user accounts. We can integrate ADManager Plus with Zoho People to directly import the user details from Zoho People to create Active Directory user accounts. Let's look at the steps required to accomplish this. Step 1. Integration of Zoho People with ADManager Plus. In this step, we integrate Zoho People with ADManager Plus by providing an appropriate username and password. For this, log in to the ADManager Plus console. Click on the Admin tab. Click on the Integrations option in the left pane. Click on the Zoho People icon. Under the Server Details section, enter the username of your Zoho People account. Enter the password of your Zoho People account. Click on Test Connection and save. Step 2. LDAP Attribute Mapping. This step deals with mapping the headers in Zoho People to the LDAP headers of AD. Click on the arrow located next to the Data Source LDAP Attribute Mapping and click on Add New Configuration. Enter a suitable configuration name and description. Let us now map the LDAP attribute name in AD to the Zoho People column name. So first, we wish to map the given name LDAP attribute name in AD to the first name DB column name of Zoho People. To add another attribute mapping, click on the plus icon. Select SN under the LDAP attribute name section and map it to the last name of the user record in Zoho People. Click on Add. Keep in mind that the LDAP attribute mapping needs to be done for all mandatory attributes or for attributes that make up the mandatory attributes. Before we go to the next step, there's one important factor that needs to be considered. Password is a mandatory attribute that cannot be mapped to the Zoho People header. Hence, we'll be creating a template to set the password to random password. Step 3. Automating the process of user creation. Click on the Automation tab and click on Create New Automation. Provide a suitable automation name and description. Set the automation category to User Automation. Select the domain and OU of your choice. Set the automation task or policy to create users. Select the template in which you'd set the password of the user. Change location of CSV to data from Zoho People. Select the configuration of your choice. You can click on the Advanced option to set conditions. You can check the Implement Business Workflow option if you wish to exercise controlled automation. That is, if you wish to review or approve every task before it is actually executed. You can also check the Ignore Current Records option if you do not want to sync all the Zoho People records with that of AD. Otherwise, keep it unchecked. Specify the time interval at which the task should be run. You can also enable notifications to be sent to the technician or administrator whenever this automation is executed. Click on Save. The users will be created automatically at the specified time.